Oh, hi everyone, this is Annabelle here sa Ma'am China Cocina sa America. And today we're gonna make a cucumber salad. So with our ingredients, we have a thin slice of red onion, 3 bulbs of fresh onions or spring onions, and our cucumber. And then we're also gonna use black ground pepper. And we have 3 different dressings here. These dressings are so great, guys. So first we have our lemongrass dressings for salad, and then our Thai salad dressing, and our miso sesame dressings. This one is really good. And then of course we're gonna use a sesame roasted seed, a little bit of salt, and that's our first step right here, and I'll show you guys next. Hi guys, so what we did is we cut both ends of this cucumber, and we'll go ahead and cut this in the center so you can have a good grip of the cucumber. So now what I want my cucumber is actually cut this into 4 parts. And you can cut the cucumber the way you want it, but this is how I want in this salad. It's about that thick. You want to make it a little bit faster. You can cut this and stack them. We just stack them to 2. Alright, I'll show you guys after I'm done with all this cucumber, okay? Alright guys, so this is our last part of the cucumber. We're almost done. Then after this, we can add the remaining ingredients. We actually have to slice the spring onion after this. Okay, and I'll show you guys next. Alright, so we're already done cutting our cucumber. And now what we're gonna do is add our spring onions. So we'll go ahead and remove the end. We'll just cut this to thin. Alright, and I'll show you guys next. Alright, so guys, we mix the green onions, the spring onions, and the red onions with our cucumber. So you want to mix this really good. And then we can now add our dressing. So you want to make sure that you shake them really good. Okay, not too much. We're only going to use about tablespoon, 2 tablespoons each. Then the next dressing, and our miso sesame dressing. I love this dressing. It has some sesame oil and of course vinegar and all that. It's a really good dressing. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and mix this again. Make sure all the dressing are in that cucumber and the onions. Okay, I'll show you guys next steps. Okay, all right, so now we are going to add our salt, gonna add all the remaining ingredients. Ground black pepper. Don't worry, we're gonna mix all that anyway. So go ahead and mix this again before we add our sesame seeds. Yay! You guys should try this. Very easy. It's fast and healthy. You can have this as a side dish or just eat it as is, you know, salad. Bring it to your work. All right, and then now we go ahead and add gonna add about 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. Okay, I love sesame seeds, so if you don't want a lot of sesame seed, you don't have to put a tablespoon. You can put a half teaspoon, but I don't mind having a lot of sesame seeds in my cucumber salad. I just like that sesame aroma. So there you go, guys, and this is done here. Yay! I will taste this. Okay, all right, guys, so here we go. This is our cucumber salad. We'll go ahead and transfer this to this bowl. Yay. Wow. I love the red onions. Just gives some colors in this cucumber salad. There you have it, cucumber salad. Then we'll go ahead and taste this. It's really good. It is really good, guys. I love that red onion flavor, and also the spring onions, the sesame seed. Oh my god, it's really good. It's fresh and it is really good, guys. So hope you guys like this, and Please subscribe my channel and see you again on my next video.